Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Sun Sun Yat International Airport, Ho Chi Minh. For your safety, please remain seated and the usage of mobile phone is not allowed until the fasten seatbelt sign above you has been switched off. To take care when opening the overhead compartments and before leaving this aircraft, please check that you have all your hand luggage with you. It was a pleasure having you on board and we hope to see you again soon. If you need any assistance on arrival, please contact our ground staff. Thank you for choosing AirAsia as your destination and have a pleasant stay in Ho Chi Minh. Ladies and gentlemen, for information, the local time is 12:33 p.m. in the afternoon. That's 1 hour difference between Kuala Lumpur and Ho Chi Minh. Bye-bye. Saudara perempuan, kita telah mendarat di lapangan terbang antarabangsa Tan Sun Yat, Ho Chi Minh. Untuk keselamatan anda, sila berada di tempat duduk dan penggunaan telefon bimbit tidak dibenarkan sehingga tanda isyarat pasangkan tali geledah telah pun dipadamkan. Berhati-hati ketika membuka ruang penyimpanan di atas dan sebelum meninggalkan pesawat, pastikan barang-barang anda dibawa bersama. Kami merasa bangga bersama anda di sepanjang penerbangan ini dan diharap kita akan berjumpa lagi. Jika anda memerlukan sebarang perkhidmatan semasa tiba, sila berhubung dengan kaki tangan kami. Terima kasih kerana menggunakan AirAsia untuk destinasi anda dan salam hormat. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, untuk pengetahuan anda, waktu sekarang ialah 12.34 petang. Terdapat 1 jam perbezaan antara Kuala Lumpur dengan Ho Chi Minh. Terima kasih.